Hi YouTube, so in this video I'll be attempting some hyperrealism. Basically it's just trying to make an object look real in a drawing. I'll be using the knowledge I've learned from reading Mark Crilly and Leonardo Perez Nieto's books about hyperrealism. My only advice is just to be observant of what you're drawing and choosing what medium works best to create that detail. As you can see, I'm attempting a tomato slice. I'm using a still image as a reference. I understand it's better to draw from real life, but I don't have access to a real tomato slice at the moment. Anyway, I'm starting out with one of the Jane Davenport watercolor palettes, the neutral palette. I mixed the red with a little bit of orange to lay down the base color of the tomato. After letting it dry completely, I used the Inkcredible ink Frida in the form of a Crayola marker to color in the locules of the tomato. I used the Frida from the scented set since that swatch was more orangey compared to the newer set. Afterwards, I had to use more watercolor to add more tomato edge. The locules were just too close. Then I used the Creative Juice ink Idea Red since it looked pinkish in the swatch, but it didn't come out as I envisioned, so I just mixed that in. After letting it completely dry, I overlaid the mesocarp and placenta with the Marzipan twists, which are the newer set of water-soluble color sticks. These were mainly to add more color and detail. The colors I used were Panna, Cotta, which is a cream color, and Amarena, which is a pale pink. Lastly, I used a yellow paint pen to paint in the tomato seeds. Not completely opaque, but natural things aren't really opaque in real life. I used my white ink brush to add in the glossy parts to make it look more juicy. So there we have it, my attempt at a realistic tomato slice. Not perfect, but who honestly is their first try? Thanks for watching.